nothing that you could recall. A widow without very much to give, only 2 months, that's all. When she could afford, she didn't have very much to give, but she gave.
Amen.
Some give up their abundance, some sacrificially. We must give with the heart of thanks for the blessings we receive. We cast our bread upon the water, watch our blessings come to shore. We may not have very much to give, but we give it all to the Lord. Juice and bread. Fed. Jesus took what was offered. Much to give, but he gave.